Okay, this will be a short video. If you look, and this is taking me a lot of time to make all these videos in between getting my bike running, so I hope you guys appreciate it. I have moved the clip down to the very lowest position. Now when I put this inside the slide right here, it's not in there yet, but it will be. As soon as the damn thing, oh, it went in the wrong hole. Fuck. Fucking piece of shit. See, it went right in there. Okay. Now, if you picture that the needle is now sitting a millimeter higher than it was, that means that the same throttle throw, when I pull on that throttle to open it, is going to open this and give more gas proportionately. So what we do is it's on there on the last thing, on the last deal. Then I need to take this part and put it in here like this. Anyway, it'll go in like that, plus 2 screws, and then I'll put the cable end into this little slot right here, and there's little orange or yellow deal, little yellow deal right there, which Mikuni uses to keep the cable and everything in there, which is good. That's all you need to do to change your carburetor. Okay, and that's all that they're doing down at the motorcycle shop when they're bending you over that cash register and telling you, look, man, you know, your decal is a little bit off. You're gonna need a new carburetor. I'll take this one off your hands, but I'll get you a really good one for $39. Look, I believe in good business. If you fuck someone, it's gonna come back to you. What I mean by that is, when you're helping someone, giving them advice, give them the right advice, and don't bullshit them. It's just like this New York scooter store, okay? I don't mind that they didn't send me a chrome radiator. I do mind that I ordered one, and then they contacted me with about 100 excuses as to why they shined me on, okay? So fuck them. I ain't going back to them. That cost them a customer. Now, I have 25,000 subscribers. Maybe it cost them more than one customer. All they had to do was do the right thing. But no, it was like, hey, you got what you got, fuck off. So, oh well. Hey, what goes around comes around. It's a good radiator. I got good parts, but I ordered it in chrome. I wanted chrome. That is silver paint. That is chrome. So when you're helping somebody, be honest with them. Now, one last piece of advice. Go up to people that you need advice from and test them. It doesn't cost you any amount of money at all. Okay, I know how carburetors work. If I want a guy to work on my bike, I'll say, well, look, man, you know, how do I adjust that jet? And if he gives me some flunky fucking answer, I'll put one hand on the wallet and I'm leaving. But if the guy gives me the straight answer, okay, that's great. Or if there's something I don't understand, my philosophy is I will go to 3 people that I think know what they're doing, and I'll ask them, hey, what do you think about this problem? And if I get 3 responses that are close to how to fix the problem, then you're on to something. But don't just take somebody's advice, because once you screw up your motor or whatever, and you go back and say, hey, you gave me that advice, the guy goes, oh, it's too bad, it ain't my ride. I don't give a shit. And a lot of guys, guys and students have been screwed like that. So good business is where you find it. Go where you find good parts and you find good service. That's the way the free market works. All right, we're going to fire this up again.